Education is the first and most important thing which Islam is giving promotion for that. It is for the welfare of the mankind. When mankind gets knowledge, they respect others. There was a question why the madrasa students, why can't we bring them to the mainstream by providing them the modern education? We can say the madrasas, wherever there is madrasas, there you can see humanitarian consideration, there you can see the communal harmony, there you can see the respect, there you can see the discipline. Where there is only the modern education, there you can see growing and developing the terrorism and extremism. Where there is madrasas, they control the people by spiritual education. They are controlled by their mashayikh kiram. They are civilized and educated and given tarbiyat. That is the madrasa system. Actually, there is no segregation between the education, Islamic education and modern education. Islam, it gives importance to all education. Not only the worship related, not only the puja related, but Islam